Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to take a look at your battle pass, so let's get started. Now, this video is about, for those of you who have the battle pass. So, if you guys have the battle pass, just go to passes, click here, and then once you got it, you might have noticed you had this right away. So you don't really have to get that. Then you could have moved on here. This was free, by the way. Now, to get this, for example, you do have to claim the reward, so just hold on X to it. Then equipped, claim. You can just claim everything, by the way. Now, this was also free. This, on the other hand, no. So you do have to get it. And claim. We can also equip it. And then we have Marge. So as long as we get everything before Marge, Marge should unlock by itself. And then, so as long as you guys have a check mark, okay? Then you guys can just go ahead and equip, claim all. And there we go. We got Marge. Next up, page number 2. So as long as you guys have page number 1, you can move on to page number 2. You guys will notice that Marge is locked. However, you guys can go on and unlock it just by claiming everything before it. So we're going to get this. We're going to get this. There's a few that I already got, and that's because those were free without the battle pass. So that's why you guys are going to see some check marks already done. And again, that's because we could get some stuff without having the battle pass before. Don't forget about V-Bucks. You always have to claim them before you can unlock this skin. So this style, I should say. So we're going to claim all. And that's it. So we can just go back and take a look at Marge. So there it is. Let's just go back and that's it. So right now, just to review what we got from page number 1, number 2. Let me just show you. Let's just go all the way back. We did get this guy from before whenever you guys got the battle pass. I'm gonna skip this one because really we unlocked this. I'm gonna skip this one because we went to this one, and then the backbling plus Marge. This page we got this awesome glider, one of my favorites. We also got this loading screen. Let's not forget about this, the wrap, V-Bucks, and Marge. Now we're going to move on to page number 3, but that's another video, another day. So just make sure to keep watching those videos that I'm making about unlocking every single thing. Make sure to hit level 50 so you guys can hit up everything that I'm claiming at the moment. That would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.